a new shirt. Leo was a little boy. Leo went to the mall with his mom. They went to a big clothes shop. Leo needed a new shirt. His old shirt was small. His mom looked at many shirts. Leo saw a red shirt. He liked the red shirt. He saw a blue shirt too. He liked the blue shirt. He did not know which one to choose. His mom said, "Try the red shirt." Leo tried the red shirt. It was very beautiful. Leo smiled at his mom. His mom bought the red shirt. Leo was very happy. He wore the new shirt. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What was the boy's name? The boy's name was Leo. Where did Leo go with his mom? Leo went to the mall with his mom. What did Leo need? Leo needed a new shirt. Why did Leo need a new shirt? Because his old shirt was small. Who looked at many shirts? Leo's mom looked at many shirts. What color was the first shirt Leo saw? The first shirt Leo saw was red. What color was the second shirt Leo saw? The second shirt Leo saw was blue. What did Leo's mom say? Leo's mom said, "Try the red shirt." Which shirt did Leo try? Leo tried the red shirt. Was the red shirt beautiful or ugly? The red shirt was very beautiful. Which shirt did his mom buy? His mom bought the red shirt. Was Leo happy or sad at the end? Leo was very happy. What did Leo wear? Leo wore the new red shirt. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.